Marching Band is under the direction of Ian Novoselic and Luke Kirkopoulos. Our percussion staff is Brian Ambrose, Matt Gamlin, Connor Petrosky, and Olivia Mueller. Amy Fett is working with our winds. Color guard staff is Brianna Weirda and Madeline Foster. Our drum majors are Addie Ladronka, Lyamira Kevelin, and Abigail Laws. Our percussion captain is Evan Isaacs. Senior color guard captain is Lorelei Chubb. Music was composed and arranged by Jeff Chambers, sound designed by Tim Mitchell, drill designed by Martin Montoya, choreography designed by Brianna Weirda and Madeline Foster, and visuals by Amy